Hello दोस्तों, this is first video of our geography series. Here we will have series of videos that will help you in learning relevant concepts of geography and related subject matter. It will be very helpful in your exam preparations. So let us start with very basic topic, latitudes and longitude. In this video, our topics of discussion will be what are latitudes and longitudes, important latitudes and longitudes globally, important latitudes and longitudes of India. Then there is very important concept related to prime meridian, and finally usage of latitudes and longitudes. Let us look into the details about latitudes. Latitudes represent imaginary lines drawn on equator is drawn which passes through the center of the earth and divides earth into two equal hemispheres. The northern one is called as northern hemisphere and the southern one is called as southern hemisphere. Latitudes are literally angular distance drawn from this equatorial plane which cuts earth into two equal half of northern and southern hemisphere. In total, there are 181 latitudes. They are 90 on the northern side, 90 on the southern side, and 1 as they are drawn parallel to each other, and so they are also called as parallels of the latitude. Some of the most important latitudes are equator represented by G, Tropic of Cancer represented by 23.5, Arctic Circle represented by 66.5, Tropic of Capricorn represented by 23.5 degrees south, Antarctic Circle represented by 66.5 degree and 90 degree north south, which represents North Pole and South Pole respectively. And finally, latitudes are used for finding accurate locations on the Earth's surface to that of the north and south of the equatorial plane. Let us look into the details about longitudes. Longitudes are also imaginary line drawn on the Earth. They are drawn east or west of prime meridian. However, they are not full circle like equator or other latitudes. They are semicircle drawn from North Pole and to that of the south. One of the most important longitude is prime meridian. Longitudes are also called as which denotes sun's highest point to that of the day. Meridian connects places of same longitude which passes through Greenwich has been denoted as the prime meridian. Then there are some of the reasons which corroborates to it, such as during the time of Washington Conference in 1884 there was predominance of English scholars, and also Greenwich Royal Observatory was the historical reference point for the sailors at that period. This helped in declaring Greenwich meridian as the prime meridian, and which acted as the reference point for drawing all other meridian lines. Now let us move into so what are the uses of longitudes? Longitudes are used for, as like latitude, for locating places east and west of that of the prime meridian, and they also help in determining time of any place. Our next discussion will be concept of latitudinal distribution, which is related to that of the concept of latitude, and then extension of longitude in determining time of any place. Thanks a lot to all of you guys for listening me patiently. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe for more of such informative videos. Thanks a lot.